Monarchs, welcome back, or welcome, hi. If you want to see how I did this, continue on watching. I got this kit off of Amazon for $10. It comes with a pair of nail tip cutters, UV lamp, nail tips, and nail glue. Using my electric nail filer to file down my nail tips. Now using a nail filer to file down my actual nails, dusting off all that residue. Time to apply our first nail. This is a nail glue bottle. Just to make sure we cause no air bubbles, dust off the nail tips before applying the glue. Watch carefully as to how I apply the nail glue. Press down firmly from the cuticle to the tip of the finger as shown, and move finger under UV lamp to cure. First nail done, let's continue on with the rest. This is after applying the tips onto my nails, using the nail tip cutter to cut them down to my desired length. I did use my nail filer to have my nails the same length and also straight. Time to buff out my nails to prepare them for nail polish. Don't forget to dust off the residue from buffing. Using Sally Hansen nail polish in the collection Extreme Wear in the colors Camelot and Radical Rockstar. Applying Radical onto my thumb, ring, and pointer finger. For the rest of my nails, I will be applying Camelot. Using my dotting tool next to apply 2 dots on my middle and pointer finger. applying top coat to all my nails and curing them after. Using my cuticle oil to apply onto my cuticle area. Now we have our nail set completed. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of these nails. Will you be getting this $10 nail Gelix kit from Amazon, which of course I'll be leaving the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, much more. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.